Have you ever been at a networking event? Someone asked for your contact details and, oh no, you're out of business cards. Yeah, not a great moment. It wouldn't happen if you had a vCard QR code though. Let's talk about the best digital business card that you can carry without even reaching into your wallet. Today, we're diving into digital business cards and vCard QR codes. So if you're a marketer, entrepreneur, business owner, or HR professional, this can completely change how you connect with people professionally. Let's get into it. What exactly is a vCard QR code? Well, it's basically your business card, just smarter. When someone scans your QR code, your full contact details pop up on their screen. So your name, job title, phone number, email, company website, even your LinkedIn or Instagram. The best part, with just one tap, they can save all that info directly to their phone's contacts. They can even add it onto their Google or Apple Wallet. No manual typing, no paper cards to misplace, just scan and connect. And let's be honest, physical business cards, they get crumpled, lost, forgotten in someone's pocket. A digital business card with a QR code, that stays with them. Plus, it's always up to date, it's instantly accessible, it's easy to share online or in person, and it's way more eco-friendly. So if you're networking at an event, hosting a webinar, hiring for a role, or pitching a client, you need something that works fast and looks professional. And that's what a vCard QR code gives you. Let's talk about why QR Tiger is one of the best vCard QR code generators out there. Here's what you get. Reusable QR codes. So update your info anytime, even after printing the code. Bulk creation for teams. Generate and manage multiple vCard QR codes at once. Perfect for onboarding employees or equipping your entire team with digital business cards. Custom branding. Add your logo, choose your colors, and design it to match your personal or company brand. Real-time analytics, so track how many people scanned your code and when. No app required, so anyone can scan using their phone's default camera. Save to Apple or Google Wallet. Let contacts save your business card straight to their mobile wallet for quick access anytime. Enterprise-grade security, so your data stays safe. You can even generate multiple vCards for different roles or teams, HR, sales events, you name it. The way we connect is changing, and your business card should too. A vCard QR code isn't just smart, it's the new standard for making professional connections that last. And if you want to create yours today, go with QR Tiger, the best digital business card and vCard QR code generator for professionals who want to stand out. Just click the link in the description box below to start creating your own digital business cards with us. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions or want to share your vCard QR success story.